We're up at our self-serve car wash today. Let's see how much money we brought in over the past 3 days. It's been like 30 degrees, but today was like, I think we got up to like 71 today. So I'm thinking it should be pretty good. As you can hear, the bays are on right now. There's 2 people washing. Almost completely out of quarters. That's insane. That's crazy. I bet you all this is just from today too. So we just checked it 3 days ago. But we got this nice sunny weather, so we'll have to go empty the bays out and put more quarters in there. But there's the collection. That's a good collection for 3 days. Like I said, the weather's been 30 degrees. Today's 60, 70, so people got out. So let me count this up and see what we got. Count this up. There's 50 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's 75, 80, 85, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. 151 in 3 days. And like I said, that's probably all really just from today because we've had such cold weather. But I think 151 bucks in 3 days. Can't complain at all. See you guys on the next one.